Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. And today we are going to go ahead and register our Eco Dot, and we are going to do a review on it. Last time I did an unboxing, so we're just going to go ahead and register, and we'll be doing a review on this video. So let's start with that. Okay, guys, there's something wrong with this camera, but let me just check this out. So this is the Eco Dot which we are going to register and install. So let's go ahead and first plug in the power source. So as soon as you connect the power source like this, it would give you a blinking light, and then it would go into the pairing source. So till that time, what we are going to do is we are going to download the Alexa app. So that is being done over my mobile. So I will just do a mobile recording for that, so that even you can see that out while I'm doing it. And this would give a buzzing sound also while it's doing the.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Actually, I didn't have to say anything. The Eco device did go ahead and say everything. So let's start the pairing mode. So as you can see the Eco Dot, it is in the pairing mode, this orange color means. So I'm into the Alexa app. I would go to devices, and we will go to add a device. Add a device. Amazon Echo. All this Echo Dot. Turn on the Bluetooth. So we will quickly go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth. Done. You see your Echo plugged in and displaying an orange light. Yes. Select your Echo. So it gives you the number of the Echo. And now it would be searching for the Wi-Fi. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi. Just give me a minute. So I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and it will say make sure your device is online.
Your Echo is ready.
Continue. We would mention that in family room over here. So now the Echo Dot is done. We'll just skip the through. Alexa, let's go.
As long. Hey there, it's lovely to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To
Stop.
talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question.
Alexa, stop.
Okay, if you want this introduction later, just say, help me get started. Or check out my mobile app for
As you
some
can
things to
see,
try.
she's kind of very good. So that's it. The Alexa is also added over here in the app. So that's all with the recording over here. So now we would test how it responds to the sounds and everything. Alexa, what is the time?
The time is 2:36 p.m. I hope you're having a good day.
Alexa, play
What do
NCS
you want
song.
me to play?
NCS song.
NCS, the best of 2017 by various artists on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop music. As you can see, the response time is very good in the Echo Dot, and in the next video we will compare this with other options. I'm going to use this in my haul, so let me just check it out for a few more days. So the speaker is good, the build quality is good, all in one. I feel this is better. So as you can see, this model is actually better than any other model. Like I have a Eufy Genie, but this quality is not available in that, to be said in truth. I will be using the Eufy Genie also, but I'll be changing the position to my bedroom or something like that. But in the next video, we will compare both of them and we will see the response time, how good it is. If the response time is good, then we'll be able to do something. But in this video, as we have gone ahead and set up Alexa also, I would like to show
Okay,
you
here's
another.
Spider-Man.
Alexa, stop music. As you see, like, uh, she's very
Sorry,
sensitive.
I didn't catch that.
Okay, I just disconnected her for the time being while I'm recording the video because she will be going ahead and speaking out, and she's very sensitive. I do have to reduce that in the settings, but what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I do have an Ultra Pro Link speaker over here. There is a way to connect Alexa with an Ultra Pro Link. So I'll be making a video on that also, how you can connect an external Bluetooth speaker with an Alexa. So after that, I'll be making a video for how to a comparison video between Alexa and Eufy also. First, we will connect the Alexa with our Bluetooth speaker and see how good it is. Okay. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and do subscribe for the coming videos also. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.